What's up, y'all? It's JeezyEats back at it again with another food review. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that. Today we're going to Buffalo Eatz CLT. Trying the chopped cheese for the first time. I really want to try it in New York, but I ain't in New York, so I'm gonna try it where I'm at. Chopped cheese, the owner from Buffalo, New York, so I guess it's gonna be kind of similar, but ain't really nothing like a New York chopped cheese. Going to New York, eating it in New York, but I'm tapping in New York, first time trying chopped cheese sandwich. I've been hearing some good stuff about them, so we're gonna see what they talk about, man. We on the way right now. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna let y'all know when I get there, man. Quick fit check right quick. Easy 380s, real comfy track pants, floor right on the wrist, cool fitted cap, 17th on the jacket, little zip up, Holy City shirt, home team, something light, man, something light. On the road ski, yes sir, ski. Time to eat, man. We finally here, Buffalo Eatz. Took me a little minute to get here, about like 40-45 minutes, but we here though. Y'all see it, it's right there. Buffalo Eatz, man. About to try this chopped cheese. See what it's hitting on. I ain't gonna lie, it's a good day outside. About to go see what this Buffalo Eatz talking about though. Show y'all. Buffalo Eatz. See what they got. Cheese steak, chopped cheese, loaded fries. Tap in. Now it's pretty much just a countdown. Boy said 15-minute wait. It's not bad. I'm ready to tap in though. Chopped cheese. Had to add lettuce and tomatoes. Feel like that's cool. But yeah, wait till the food get here. Alright, we got it. It's JeezyEats back again with another one. We went to Buffalo Eatz for the chopped cheese. I got it. Good chopped cheese. Feel me? Show you the fries. How do you want them? Pretty good though. And this the chopped cheese, man. To be honest, I never had a chopped cheese before. I do want one though, but I feel like it's only right that like you eat a chopped cheese in New York. So I gotta go to New York though. But we in Charlotte though. The owner, he's from Buffalo, New York. So I mean, it should be kind of similar though. But chopped cheese right here. I added lettuce and tomatoes. I feel like you gotta do that. Shit, there you go. First time trying chopped cheese, though. See how this shit see how this shit is. Gotta get a water. Good water. I should have got the house sauce, but I'm just trying regular though. Look good. Look good. Trying to chop cheese though. Chopped cheese ain't bad. Hey, low-key tastes like a burger in a way. But it got a different flavor to it. Gotta try the fries. They're crispy. There's a lot of flavors. There's like an orange sauce like they made with it. Yeah, ain't bad though. Right. Fries good as hell. Got some salt on it, but not too salty. I don't know if it's a sauce though, or just like their house sauce, but this shit good though. This shit low key full too. Halfway. Come on now. Halfway through with it. I didn't even tell y'all what come on it. They come with mayo, grilled onions. They said jalapeno peppers and But I got that off. I don't really eat peppers on my sandwich. But I ain't gonna lie, it's good though. Oh yeah, cheese. Just kind of gonna teach me what it's like in like New York, tasting it. I got an idea how it tastes. But yeah, man, y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm putting y'all on the new spots, man. Chopped cheese though. Buffalo Eatz. Charlotte. What y'all be doing when y'all be eating, man? Y'all be what, playing music on your phone? Or just going in on the food? Kinda just depend on my mood. If I'm real hungry, I'm gonna go all the way in. But if I'm chilling, probably gonna be on my phone a little bit. Ketchup with these fries would probably be 10 times better too. I ain't even getting no ketchup, no nothing. These fries just good regular. I'll definitely come back. I'll definitely come back. Alright, good though. Oh yeah. Black History Month. Negro League. Rams. Big Five Renaissance. New York. But I'm from the South though. I ain't gonna lie, that shit kinda full though. Y'all tap in though. Buffalo Eatz, Charlotte. Chopped cheese. Good Eats. Good Eats. Successful. I gave it about like rating it. Probably give it about like an 8.5. 8.5. 8.5, 8.6. You can taste the grilled onions too. A little small crunch in it. I'll tap in though, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Trying to see where I'm gonna go next. I got an idea, but I'm gonna see, man. Y'all tap in. Social media 17th. Everything.